So technology influences culture and business, and technology is moving at really an ever-increasing rate. And what we do with this program is we're studying how to understand emergent trends in technology, leverage those trends, and create value out of change. The value that we're creating is people building creative solutions, innovations using the emergent technologies. So giving people the tools to understand change is certainly a process that can be taught. It's something that we focus on. We look at visual designers, research scientists, entrepreneurs. We look at how they approach things. And there's kind of a commonality into many of the tools that they use and the ways that they look at things. And we've extracted that regardless of what field it's from and kind of packaged it into a program where people learn this process. It's a 21st century process of how to look at adapting and utilizing change. You've got studio courses where you're learning how to code, you're learning how visual design, communication skills, design thinking. You know, there's a whole host of hard skills that you're learning, but they all have this larger idea of a process that doesn't really change on top of that. Okay, so the things underneath, in 5 years, the program's going to have a different series of things that we do in terms of the hard skills. But the stuff on top of it is the same. And so the people who come out who have this adaptability really are set for the modern workplace, where if they're not working at different companies, they're doing highly different things within their organizations. You know, it's not that they're the person who knows social media and they're doing social media, and then the social media kind of moves away out of our culture, they don't have anything to do. If they have a set of techniques to learn how to be creative and look at what is coming out of culture through technology, then they can always find value to present to those who are around them. JFK has a strong tradition in psychology, and in our program we're leveraging that and using psychology knowledge and faculty to give our students an edge in that they not only know the techniques, they understand how we operate. They understand how the people that they're working with operate. You know, they have a clarity of understanding about things that I think will give them an advantage over others. A really quick breakdown of the process would be, so it starts with ideation, which could also be a problem that needs solving. In the world of visual effects and in scientific research, you view it as a problem. In the art world, you view it as an interest or an opportunity. Okay. Then you have to have the production methodology to understand how you can manifest that. How are you going to do it? How are you going to make it? Okay. But you have to have clarity on the ideas. So that's research, and that's talking to people, right? We're a big proponent of design thinking, appreciative inquiry, other sorts of methodologies that involve interviewing the people that you're providing the solution to. So who we're looking for is anybody who is curious and motivated to understand more about how the world works. That's pretty general. So within that, it's people who want to be creative and people who want to make a difference. So our students have typically been those who want to move up in their position to a position of management, or like a project manager, or a strategist, somebody who wants to have more of a vision of direction. And often JFK has a mission of really serving the community, and we do have a tendency to want to attract people who want to make a difference in the community.